Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to edit your Google Docs files offline. This is useful when you are on flight, have unreliable internet, or just want to keep working without worrying about connection. Any changes you make offline automatically sync once you are back online. So let me show you how you can edit or use Google Docs offline. So firstly you want to go to this main menu, and here we're gonna click on those three dots next to the file which you want to make offline. And you want to enable offline, so you can see it's currently turned off, but if I turn this on, you will see this gray checkmark icon, which means this file is available to edit in offline without internet connection. So I can click on this. I'm gonna turn the internet connection so you can actually see it's working. Now I'm not using internet, so you can see it's working offline. Let's say I can add something, so let's say some changes, and we will see if it is going to be synced once we turn internet on. I can turn Wi-Fi on, and now you can see it's saving, and it's also saved to the drive, so this means it was automatically synced. So this is basically it. This is how you can edit files in Google Docs. So if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.